Hello everyone. Today let us learn about coordinate bond formation in transition metals. So let us see the transition metal complex. So this is the transition metal complex. This is tetrahedral. You can see the central metal ion surrounded by ligands. So let us see the coordinate bond formation in ammonium ion. So first we have to understand the coordinate bond formation. You can see the lone pair of electrons in ammonia molecule. Here these are the lone pair of electrons. This combines with H plus ions, that is hydrogen ions, in turn forming ammonium complex. Here this arrow, you can see this arrow. This is the coordinate bond formed. So let us see the transition metals. They primarily form coordinate covalent bonds. It's a form of the Lewis acid-base interaction in which both the electrons in the bond are contributed by a donor, that is always a Lewis base, to an electron acceptor, which is a Lewis acid. So transition metal ions form coordinate complexes because they have empty valence shell orbitals that can accept pair of electrons from Lewis base. So let us see the coordination complex. See here you can see Lewis acid plus Lewis base, in turn forming a coordination complex. So let us see the difference between the normal and the dative coordinate bond. Normal single bond and dative coordinate bond. Let us see the differences. Here you can see the two unbonded hydrogen atom in turn forming here one hydrogen molecule with the hydrogen atom sharing the electrons. This is the normal single bond. Whereas in dative covalent bond, what happens is that hydrogen ion combines with ammonia molecule, in turn forming ammonium ion. This is the example for dative coordinate bond. So let us see the transition metal ions in solution. When a transition metal complex such as cobalt chloride is dissolved in water, it becomes CO3 plus and Cl minus ions. Transition metal ions have a high charge density. So the CO3 plus ions attract water molecules around them to form something we call a complex. Here you can see cobalt. The bonds between the water molecules and the positive ion is called the coordinate bond, that is the dative bond. You can see the complex ion. This is the complex ion. So let us see few of the examples of transition metal complexes. These are the few examples. Most often these complexes are octahedral or tetrahedral in shape with the metal at the center. See, here you can see metal, copper, cobalt, ferrous, like this, a central metal surrounded by ligands. Okay. Most often these complexes are octahedral or tetrahedral in shape with the metal at the center. Here we can see Cl minus, F minus, H2O, NH3, all these are behaving as ligands surrounded by a central metal atom. These are the examples. Thank you all for watching. Images used from the websites belongs to the respective owners. Thank you.